Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and tonight we're going to be sleeping in a tent. What we're doing now is we're just waiting for our tea, and then when it's ready, when it's came, we're going to go in the tent and eat our takeaway, and we're going to stay over there all night until the morning, and it's going to be just so fun. I don't know what else we're going to do. It is pretty late outside.
It's late, quite late actually. It's 8:30. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're just waiting on our tea. It's 5 minutes away.
We might be having a little bit of a late night.
Yeah. So
maybe.
we're not allowed to come in the house unless it's for the toilet.
Or drink.
Nope. No drinks. Drinks are being put in the survival kit. And the only time you're allowed in the house is if you need a toilet. That's it.
Look at Anay there. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at Anay there.
You excited?
Yeah.
Oh, look at your little face. You got a bit of a poorly face, haven't you?
Yeah.
I don't know what's up with it.
But it'll go soon.
But it'll go soon. Positive, aren't you?
So
You're going to make us a cup of tea in the tent?
yeah, we're gonna bring that to have a tea party.
Yeah, we're having a tea party?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can make our
Okay.
Where are we going now?
It's a tent!
Yay!
Let's go!
We might need a coat on depending how cold it is.
No, I've already got
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get my cookies on.
You're going to get your crockies on. Alright, you go and get your crocs on, ready to go in the tent. And if it's cold, when we've had our tea, we'll come in and get our survival box. Hi.
Hi!
We're in the tent.
It is pretty dark in here.
This is like the tent part. This is the shelter.
Yep.
Little seats. This way you're having your tea, girls.
But we need to have our shoes on to get to there.
Yeah.
The lights in my face.
Sorry.
Get me out! Get me out of here!
Where's everyone sleeping?
I'm sleeping here.
No, what?
This is the comfy
Get
side.
me out of here.
Nene, where are you going to sleep? I'm going to put a load of cushions down that gap there. Daddy can go on that side.
Nanny, I'm sleeping here. Nanny, why don't you sleep there or there?
I'm gonna fart.
Where's Mummy and Daddy go? Oh, gonna go.
And this is just these only blankets for now. In a bit, we're going to be having our... Oh, careful, girls. Loads and more blankets.
Yes.
And Nene needs a dressing gown on. And you're going to get wrapped up nice and warm, aren't you?
Yeah.
Mind Aeneas, me nearly stood on her. We're going to watch a film too. Who's excited?
Me. But I'm excited, but I'm tired.
Right, have a lie down.
Yeah. This is where I'm
Oh.
This is where I'm sleeping.
Where are you sleeping, Anae?
Oh God.
You sleeping in that one?
Yeah, I'm sleeping there. Oh God. I don't think we need it anymore. Oh God.
I'd have it on. Press it here, we'll put it, there should be somewhere where we can hang it up here. Oh yeah, there, I'll put it there for a minute. We're back in a minute, guys. Where's Esme and Anae? I have no idea where they are.
Hi.
Oh, where's Anae gone?
He's right there. It's a really good hiding spot there.
Right, girls, listen. We're going to have to be quiet because it's getting late. Girls, hello. Okay, I'm just warning you. It's not very secret.
Shut up.
Oi!
Shut up.
Mina.
Come on.
Food's on the way, Esme.
Salt and pepper chicken, ribs. I don't know what Anae's getting.
What are you getting, Anae?
A sausage.
A sausage.
I'm definitely going to get the ribs, my ribs, because they're going to be mine, because I'm going to be eating them, but
Out of your body?
it's like that, because like, you get ribs in your own body, but because it's just weird, because it's like you're eating your own ribs.
Yeah.
Hey?
It's raining. I can see. It's pouring. The old man isn't snoring.
Heather!
You stayed. He didn't go to bed because he went to someone's head. So they couldn't wake up up in the morning. Guys!
That's a creepy
Guys!
I know.
I can see a dragon.
You can see a dragon?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not a real dragon.
It is a real dragon.
Anay, are you okay?
Yeah. Oh, I can't even do that.
What are you doing?
Can I do that?
Oh my god, you can actually see how cold it is on this thing. I don't know if you might be able to see it, but I can see it.
Yeah.
The cold air's coming in. To be fair, I don't feel that cold. Do you think it's cold, Anay? Do you think it's cold?
No. Let's be focused.
Nay. Stop ignoring Mummy. Do you think it's cold?
No.
Of
Take up this.
course I will. What have you got, girls?
So I got pie and I got sandwiches.
I've got my favourite salt and pepper chicken. These are so nice. And I've got some spicy thingy
Salt and
ribs.
pepper ribs.
Dirty them.
Oh, and you got a sausage and pie because you don't like anything else, don't you, Nat Nay? Want me to cut it up for you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So
It's weird because there's like a light shining from somewhere, but I don't know where. It's not that. No? Are you enjoying that, girls?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Ooh,
And Daddy's
what
got
is
KFC.
what's this?
It's a fortune cooker.
I'm gonna open it.
I'm going to open mine. It's rice and curry.
I have two more
Eat your tea first and then I'll open it. Say, see you after tea, guys.
See you after tea, guys.
See you after tea, guys.
Ta-ra. I'm already falling into
I'm gonna sleep in this. So
Hang on, so we have
we have a million blankets.
millions of blankets. Daddy thinks it's too much, but he won't be saying that.
Like you
At
got,
3 in the morning when he wakes up, hogging our blanket.
like we got this.
what in the
We
trench.
got this blanket. We have this blanket, which is
Well,
out.
hang on, Esma. I had to sleep in the trench last year because me, Esme and Anae did this on our own, and I ended up down the ditch.
There's only 3 of you. You've got plenty of room.
Not with
There's
these
4 of
two,
us
you
here.
hadn't.
There's 4 of us here now, and I've been make it into a bed. She says.
No, I didn't say make it into a bed.
You
I
said
said
make it into
cover
a bed.
the
You said
cover
it
the
feels
hole.
like-
Well,
said it feels like a
stop
bed.
arguing.
Right, so we've got some orange juice in case anyone wants orange juice.
I want orange juice.
Daddy's Lucozade. That's my Fanta, no one touch. We've got some, oh my god, Dime Dairy Milk. We've got some, whatever they are. We've got some whatever that is. And hey, shush. They're mummies, so don't touch because they're my thing at the minute. And I got you some custard creams, Esme Rose. Whatever you said yesterday that you want custard creams?
Can you open
Can
this?
I have
Of
one?
course I will, Papa. Look at the
Mummy,
dog.
Hannah bought me one of these. Can I have one? Because there's a lot.
That's with the sour.
There's a couple inside.
That's the
I have
sour.
one.
What's up with you? On a scale of 1 to 10, I was excited that was
Right,
sleeping in the
I'm gonna
garden.
I'm gonna get one.
14.
Can I have one?
And that's sour.
Have you seen it? There's a million.
I've already had to this when I was driving about before. Yeah.
Can I have this?
Yeah.
I love them.
Can
There you
I
go.
Good idea, isn't it?
It's such a good idea.
11 of pumping them with sugar. Do you want a Red Bull?
That's what time it is, 11:15, guys. So only have a little bit of that because it's bedtime
Do
in
you
a
want a
minute.
Red Bull?
Red Bull gives you wings, Esma.
We can fly into our house and actually be dry and comfy.
We are dry. This tent is
be.
dry, but in
It's
there
pretty
it is
good.
getting a little bit wet.
So is this. I don't know about your side, but mine's got a bit.
You said it was condensation.
Yeah, well, it's probably to do with April showers that we're coming.
Well, we'll find out if we have to wake up at 4 in the morning and go in drenched.
Put a snorkel.
Come on, let's go sleep.
You going to sleep,
Tell you
Anay?
what we should have done. We should have slept in wetsuits just in case.
Oh, Daddy's just being silly, Anay.
Yeah, I'm mad about
Why don't you get you some flippers and shoes so you can, when you escape, your shoes won't get wet. Where's your Boris Johnson accent gone from before?
Boris.
Yeah,
Right,
it
this is
was.
good.
Why? I feel like you're looking up at like heaven for this light. Yeah.
This is hell.
Come on. Dribble like you. Do it again.
Oh.
I need to keep the light on a minute.
So little did we know in the middle of the night that it was going to snow really heavy, and we woke up, me and Jordan, around 3 o'clock in the morning with the tent on top of us full of snow. This is what the tent looked like at 5:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
So, get together so I can see you guys. Tell us what's going on right now.
So what we're doing right now is we've got other mattresses and pillows.
Yeah, because what did we do last night?
Sleep in the tent.
We slept in the tent.
And what we're doing right now is jumping in pillows.
Daddy's bringing everything back in, all the pillows. He's outside putting the tent away. and he's left everything in here. So you're playing on it for now, aren't you? Go on then. Woo! Careful.
Let me try.
So, what was your favourite thing that you did last night?
Camping.
Camping?
Yeah.
No, I mean, what did you like the most? Did you like sleeping in the tent?
No, it was freezing. But the only
You didn't like sleeping in it, of course you did.
But the thing that I like the most is having the goodies at night.
You like the goodies at night?
Yeah, it was.
What did you like, Nene?
All the creepy stories.
You like Mummy's story?
Stop it!
Where you nearly strangled me. I came over to you, didn't I, to pretend to get you, and you went right in my neck.
You scared me though.
You could have killed me.
Did you film that?
Did I film you gulleting me? No.
Good. I don't want everyone to see that. Come on, Dick.
Okay. Alright, girls. So we're going to be doing some shout outs to some people who really want one.
Yeah.
First of all, Pops and Gaga and Nana and Gangan would like a big shout out.
Okay, so shout out to Nana, Gangan, Pops, and Gaga. Woo! Okay, so our next shout out is to Phoebe Ann from
Salford!
Salford.
Yay!
Yeah. Our next shout out is for Adeline
From Salford.
Salford.
Yay!
Yay. And last but not least is Ruby from Skipton. Thanks for watching this video. If you want a shout out, make sure to subscribe and write in the comments that you want one. Yay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.